Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Hi friend from the local guide all over the world. I introduce myself. My name is Andi Agussalim, a local guide from Indonesia. We are all very happy we receive an invitation from community Google Connect Live 2019. I really hope I can meet the friend from the local guide all over the world who have a shared vision of contributing to helping people get accurate information about places of interest them, such as attractions, places to shop, places to eat, places of worship, places to stay, and various culture site. Thank you.